While it won't not be as rough as its patrol cousin sold abroad, our 2018 Nissan Armada Analyzer compensates for its familiar luxuries. Calfskin upholstery, warmed and ventilated seats, warm controlling Hagel entire suite of driver helps. This platinum trim Armada joins the certainty of a Titan with a significant part of the solace of an Infiniti QX80. Notwithstanding the standard gear, our four-wheel drive analyzer incorporates the second push commander's seat bundle, $450, and covered floor and payload mats, $310. On the whole, it rings up at $63,545, including gold charges. Senior Editor, Green, John Beltz Snyder. The Armada isn't generally some tea, and I wouldn't drive it this week. On the ride into the workplace on Monday, however, the snow was descending hard, and autos were in the jettison, on wreckers, some sparkling side down. Having flashbacks of stalling out where my garage meets my crappily furrowed street in a Cadillac ATS the prior week, I agreed to accept the Nissan Armada rather than the back-drive Cadillac CT6 Plug-In Hybrid for my commute home. My drive was a breeze. Notwithstanding being a gigantic beast, the view from the driver's seat of the Armada was extraordinary. A high seating position, generally low beltline, huge mirrors and monstrous windows surrounding, I had no issue advancing through surge hour movement in the frigid dim. Far better, the Armada Platinum accompanies Nissan's Safety Shield Suite and versatile journey control, acting like an additional arrangement of eyes going not far off. Indeed, even in city activity with no voyage control, the Armada was upbeat to brake early and easily, notwithstanding conveying the vehicle to a total stop without beeping and blazing lights in my face. It was a comfortable ride. The inside is roomy, and the cowhide upholstery agreeable. I warmed up with the warmed seats and guiding wheel, and tuned into a podcast by means of Bluetooth. Notwithstanding the smoothness of the versatile voyage control, however, there were two occurrences when I needed to intercede when the Armada wasn't backing off rapidly enough. The ride was likewise shockingly agreeable. There was a tad of street clamor, however the sound of the V8 wasn't excessively noisy either. The main thing that I experienced difficulty moving beyond was the odd creases in the calfskin on the entryway board. Relate Editor Joel Stocksdale, man, this thing is great body on outline SUV totally. Strolling up to it resembles moving toward a Clydesdale, and I dreaded it wouldn't be as simple to move. Luckily, a portion of the conventional SUV attributes really make it genuinely simple to string through the city. As John said, perceivability is great. Notwithstanding putting the seat as low as could be expected under the circumstances, despite everything you're sitting up high, and you're looking through tall, upright glass all around. The corners are anything but difficult to spot, and the directing is light, so you don't need to wrestle it and ease back movement to drive it. It takes some thrashing however when making sharp turns as a result of the controlling's strikingly moderate proportion. That in addition to the directing's gentility and absence of feel shield distruct from feeling even remotely brisk and energetic. However, something this huge likely shouldn't make sudden developments at any rate. In any event, the suspension is tuned to such an extent that it doesn't flounder and roll excessively in corners.